Welcome back to Front-End Hero. In this short video, I'd like to go through my process of uploading my commits to my server via FTP. I'm using an action from Sam Kirkland called ftp-deploy to achieve this. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a new repository in my GitHub account. I'll call this test push FTP. Then I need to create a new YAML file for the action. So I'll create the directory .github/workflows main.yaml. Inside the YAML file, I'm going to paste in the ftp-deploy configuration. Here I'll need to change the FTP information to that of my server. Then I'll create a server directory key and give it a name of public HTML/test push FTP. Now I need to create some repository secrets for my FTP username and password. I'm going to create an FTP username secret and an FTP password secret. Once we've created our repository secrets, then we need to pop into our VS Code editor and install the extension GitHub repositories. Then we'll click the bottom left-hand side green button. Then we'll add in our repository from GitHub. Then we just need to authenticate our GitHub repository with VS Code. And now we can see our repository in VS Code. So I'm going to create a new file called index.htm and just pop a little hello world in there. Save that, pop into source control, stage it, add a commit message, and click commit and push. We'll see our index.htm file in there. A quick look on the website to see if it's pushed it to our server. And all is well. Pretty cool. So thanks to Sam Kirkland and his FTP deploy action. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.